Hey everyone, this is Nadia from LifterLMS. Welcome to our YouTube channel. I have a fantastic news for you. Our LifterLMS 7.1 version has been released, and in this tutorial, I will discuss our new features and the new appearance of our backend. It is a tool of LifterLMS 7.1, so let's get started. So this is my WordPress dashboard, and I already have the LifterLMS 7.1 version. So the first impression on this LifterLMS 7.1 version, that is LifterLMS dashboard. From this dashboard, you will be able to do almost everything. You will be able to control almost everything from here. You can see that we have an option that is enrollments. So that means you can see the number of enrollments, number of registrations, your net sales, number of lessons completed. Also, we have build LMS content option. Here we have two options. First one is add a new memberships, and second one is create an engagements. So if you click on this add a new memberships option, you will able to create your first and new memberships from here. And if you click on create an engagements, it will redirect you to our engagement page. So here we have access reports option. We have two view orders and view students option. If you click on this view orders option, you will be able to see all of your orders you have on your website. If you click on this view students option, you will be able to see all of the students you have on your website, and you can see that it definitely looks organized. Here we have the sales option. It redirects you to our official LifterLMS website. If you want to know more about our pricing and add-ins, click on this link. If you want to connect with our sales team, click on this link. So if you have any pre-sales question, you can ask for a live call or you can email us. Here is our support option. So we have three types of support. We have documentation, WordPress Origin, premium support. So if you visit our documentation, you will get all the popular solution here. You can see that we have a huge collections of documentation. So here we have our premium support. Here we have our learn option. We have academy, events and developers option. If you click on this academy option, you will get all the popular courses here, and you can see that we have a lots of courses here. So on this event option, you will get the calendar for our Zoom call, time and link. You can see that we have a pre-sales option here, office hours option here. So just check that out. And we have the content option here. We have blog, podcast and YouTube. If you click on this blog option, it will redirect you to our blog website. And here we can see that we have all LifterLMS recent blogs here and recent podcast here. Here we have our add-ins and more. If you click on this view add-ins and more option, it will redirect you to all the add-ins we have. Now is builder. So if you visit your lesson, you can see that now you are able to launch your builder from your lesson as well. So if you click on this builder, it will redirect you to the specific lesson on builder. So now is the easiest thing to modify, edit or add your lesson or quiz to with your lesson builder or your course builder. So another feature is the LifterLMS lesson count feature. So if you visit your courses, you can see that now we have an option that is lesson. So now you can see the number of lessons you have for a specific course. And the final one is in this LifterLMS 7.1, that is LifterLMS menu. So if you visit appearance and menus, you can see that now LifterLMS menu is available on add menu items. So now you can add easily LifterLMS menu. You don't need to open it from screen options anymore. You can just install LifterLMS plugin. You will be able to get this LifterLMS menu. So if you enjoyed my video, don't forget to give the thumbs up and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.